She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna. Good morning, officials. Excuse the fact that I'm crusty right now, but as you all know, tomorrow is Megan's birthday. But as some of you know, and we going on a little, I would say girls trip or not, no. But we did ropes, so well, she don't know we do the ropes, but I had to go and collect it by my auntie. But the camera is extremely low, so at least you all know we doing ropes and stuff for her. So hopefully she likes them, and surprise, I guess we want, there's more we can do, but you all know already. Uncle Shas, I don't know, really don't know what's wrong with Uncle Shas, but everywhere is closed right now, so it's not like we could get anything, even if we wanted to do more. Even if we wanted to do more, it's not much we can do because everywhere is closed. But we tried, and I know she will appreciate it, and we love you, so we just had to do something. We couldn't not do something, at least a little. So yeah, just waiting on it. So that's the rope, guys, and that's the rope to tie it. That's Megan One, and I was using black. It's mixed. So my auntie. Shit. I say, oh shit. You like it? No. Yes, the fuck we did. I don't fucking feel it. I'm a motherfucking yellow moment. I know, right? I don't need fucking potatoes on the cutting. That's more than, you see that? That's more than the potatoes, okay? Exactly. That's raw potatoes. Megan, that's like the ropes. You directly that's what they Hey. No, you have no fucking thank you, Maya, for helping us out. Oh yeah. We got her. We got her. Woo. Hi officials. Hi officials. Hi officials. You all know what this is. You all know what's up. You all know what's going on. You all know what's popping. You all know what's popping. You got energy for me this morning. Is the gospel in the atmosphere? Oh, yes. Because positive vibes. Is the yellow? Start off your morning right there. Okay. Let's go. Hi officials, continuation of the video. Right now we're going on a boat tour. Naomi here, Megan here. We have to wear our mask. I guess it's till we get through here. We have to wear our mask, sanitize and all of that. You feel? Thank God for the weather. Thank God, because the weather gives me anxiety. For sure? The weather has been the whole shit gives me anxiety. Horrible. There we go, Nana. Pray for me. So weather guy, we have to meet somebody. Just watching the boat and I get anxiety. So this is the sun for me. Y'all is the Peters in the
tone in the background there for me. And we're just waiting on the captain basically to come and meet us.
At this point,
Yes, sir.
I actually already
Come
did,
this
but
way. Come this way. That's our thumbnail. Put your mask on. Thumbnail. Alright. Um, hello.
I'm Captain Cream.
Cream. It's a cream for me.
So, what we do? Step on the edge, you wanna step on the green.
So why didn't you cream?
Yeah, I got that name since school.
We are outside and outside. I know. This is anxiety. I don't say anything about it. You get the point. That's what I was in your photo. Do you feel the wine? Yeah, that's a bomb diggity. What time is it to be black again? It's me conquering my fears for my sister. 2021. Yes. And I. Et moi, you have an extra mask just for the other elastic. So we're about to get our music on board.
the captain was lacking though.
Yes.
Ain't gonna lie.
Ain't gonna hide. But it's alright. It's alright, cream. Captain cream. It's alright.
Come on from the boss.
No.
So we just come there to watch each other in eyes.
I never said that.
Oh. Just checking, asking for a friend.
Asking for myself. Music there.
And then the bump up that thing, I'm the man with the boss. Yeah, fucking true. You say, what? One more thing that we keep the enemy away. Me no fear no pussy when we step in with the key. Give them a man that with the word that we do. Yeah, my heart know that I'm the eyes in the tree. Never touch you know that we know happy. 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 eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Even though her eyes can't see, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
So we're at Marigo Bay right now. We stopped off at, we're gonna take it out. You can see your belly. Hey girl, you looking like I'm looking.
Yes, you. Don't see on the baby food.
So we're at Marigo Bay right now. We stopped off here. We're gonna take some photos. Probably, we don't know. We might bathe. Depends on if the water speaks to us or not.
I'm not figuring out. I don't know Android API connected to, but I'm connected to an Android too.
It's the hotspot for me. Should I take my wallet? We could have gone by cocktails by Julie. Happy hour.
My God.
Two for one.
Oh, everybody's taking a picture.
Oh yeah, alcohol. It's sad, eh? We have because we bought it before the whole shutdown situation, but we have alcohol. It's a sun cover. You in my shadow, yes. So yeah, we're just looking around. We'll show a little bit around. We'll take some photos and stuff, and we'll head back to the booth.
You, why I think that is deja vu?
Like you seen like it happen already?
Yes,
You was already thinking of it a lot. Then remember you said we would have do it. Anyhow, it couldn't be.
Why you? I highly. Oh, okay, let's open our legs. Oh my gosh, that's what?
How we doing it? Open our legs so?
Yeah.
Bend down.
Oh, that's good. You everybody fucking watching. Let's smile. Come on. Come out.
Oh, try anything come out, not come out. It's both tongue out.
Crazy face.
Like,
Oh, that's nothing for Siboche, like. Oh, Siboche
that's
face.
it, watch it.
The next picture, let's open it. No, don't show your face.
Just now, we should take, each of us should take a corner. Megan take that corner. Take that corner.
Okay.
I take one corner and you take the next corner. Like so.
Ready? My yellow is
Maybe why you open it here? Oh, you're giving it height.
yeah.
Lifting it. Giving the little. Sorry, someone. We must stop it. Yeah, I love it here. I need to move to Marigo Bay. I love it here. You love it here? Megan, you having a good birthday so far?
Yes, of course, bitch. You got some of your fucking day. What else I need?
They need to carry us off of the boat with a wheelbarrow.
55% going up already. Well, that's all because I tell them I will be responsible. And I was going to buy a wheelbarrow, but everywhere closed. I tell you to come out the back of the
Yeah, we
house.
kind of have like a 10-day lockdown, so everywhere is closed, including SNS, free SNS. Free SNS. So yeah, we just, taking a little bit of photos because the sun, let's see the sun in the back there.
correct.
The sun is hitting the right way, hitting the angles, doing everything I have to do. Every that's it. I'm moving to Maribor. So we leaving now. I wish we brought like towels and stuff. So we could be. But we could have tried everything for the one time.
Oh no, that's not my name, but it's a lighting moment. Stop.
Let me just put she on that.
The girl said she wants that G. Make she take a day in my life. Birthday bliss. Let me tell you about me. I real G to my damn dad. Every glass is a mara. Your background for me. Yes, son. I know, right? I know that. Is it my ad fall? Say she feel honey. Back shot she gets.
Everything get fucked when I reach 16 one of boy skin.
We say we got back to Sufra safely. It was a vibe. Just I wish I could see Naomi right now, but too bad. Okay. You don't want to see us on the boat. You don't know what it is. Exactly. Book it. This is a sunset for me. They can see the sunset.
We got flowers from the young boys at the beach. Little boys over here. Thanks for the flowers, guys. Shanice, you had fun? It was the bomb. Okay. Megan? Megan? You had fun? Bitch, I'm not from the beach. Hi officials, again. It's the next day. Crostias in the back here. Crostias roll. Looking like a yellow banana. Another Crostias. Looking cute in the lighting, eh? It's the lighting, not you. It's the lighting, not you.
God, you lucky we are not vlogging.
So it's the next day we live in. You know, we always sad to be living and stuff, eh? But it's the lighting for me. You want to be in the vlog, Maya? You want to be in the vlog? Yes.
Hi, officials.
So we're getting ready to leave. We're just trying to get a photo in our robes so that we can head out. What's the time? Checking out at 12. It's almost 12 now. But we need a, you know,
an official photo.
Yes.
With our rooms.
Now I don't think we vlogged a lot.
Not really.
We are having so much. I think there's a time on the boat like we just forget about we forget we was vlogging.
Sorry about that.
So sorry about that. Too much funny.
Yeah, when you're having too much fun, you don't have time to do all of that. So
I know you want me. I like it like this. I like it like this. I like it like this.
okay.
I like it like this. I like it like this. Hey, hey, hey,
Yes, I'm missing nails.
hey. I like it like this.
Bye.